Hi everyone, it's Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and I'm going to take you on a tour of an Oceanview Balcony stateroom on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. This particular room is 8576 and it has a max occupancy of 2 guests. As we first walk into the room, off to our left here, we see a desk area with lots of different charging options. Here in the dresser, you have several drawers, as well as a mini refrigerator. On the right side of the room, we have closet storage on either side of the couch. Over here is the bed. Television. Here's our balcony. Now let's go check out the bathroom. The bathroom is just inside the door. You can see here, we have a shower and a vanity space. I hope you enjoyed this tour of our Oceanview Balcony stateroom here on the Utopia of the Seas. If you'd like more content like this, please subscribe to my channel with notifications switched on so you never miss an upload. Also, if you want free help planning your Royal Caribbean cruise, reach out to me on my blog at gingermmt.com. I would love to help you plan, and it's the same price or better to book with me than to book directly with Royal Caribbean.